so you already know, you can call me Nyjee. Today we are going to be making this berry hibiscus spritzer. So if you want to see how we got this, keep on watching. Start out with some hibiscus tea. I'm actually going to add a little bit of sugar to it. Hibiscus is on the tart side, so I'm actually going to take the hibiscus out of the packet and I'm going to put water, hot water on top of it, and pretty much I want my hibiscus to be strong, hence why I didn't just dip the tea bags in, because I feel like it loses flavor after a while. So I'm just going to put boiling hot water on top and then strain it off, and then boom, we have our hibiscus. And I'm pretty much just going to create hibiscus ice cubes. And I'm just going to pour it into an ice cube tray, and I'm going to stick this in the freezer for about 5 to 6 hours. So after a few hours, you have some hibiscus ice cubes. This drink is incredibly easy to make. There's a lot of different variations you can do with this. It takes only a few minutes, a few ingredients, and you can really do whatever you want with this recipe. Now all of our components are complete, we can start assembling. I'm going to add some berries to our flute, and then we're going to top it with some delicious sweet rosé. The rosé we're going to be using today is the Rosé 𝙬𝙧𝙞𝙬𝙧𝙀. The dulce means sweet, so this is a sweet rosé. This would be a great addition to our tart hibiscus with our sweet fruit. It's just the equal balancer. It's fizzy, it's nice. It's a really great addition to our drink, and it's also $10. I want to offer this spritzer 2 ways. So first you would do is half a cup of your favorite rosé to a flute glass, and then top it off with some club soda. This would definitely be the option if you wanted to have this at a party and you just want to have people drink and enjoy constantly without getting them too, tipsy. Or you can always just pour your berries, put your hibiscus, and fill your rosé all the way up to the top, going to create a stronger drink, but just as equally delicious. And there you go. Spritzers are incredibly easy to make. They are so good for functions, so good for parties, and also they're really good for just a day you want to pamper yourself with a nice drink. Super easy ingredients. You just put a little flair on it with the hibiscus ice, and it's very sparkly, bubbly, and refreshing. And that's how we got this berry spritzer. Really refreshing, not super sweet, perfect for summer and all the warm holidays coming up, so best believe add this to your menu. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.